الله وبركاته. Hi guys, how are you? Sama Tabuk International Schools, and we study science together. Today, inshallah, we're gonna have revision on part 1, the nature of science. You're gonna find the questions or some of the questions of today, page 202. Okay, 202. As usual, we have 3 games. Let's start. Number 1. Okay, let's see what's the question. Look at the picture. Look at the leaf. How long is it? 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, or 4 inches? Okay, let's see together here. So start from here and ends here. So it's 4 inches. Good job. Okay, now let's back to the Christmas tree. Number 2. Look at the tool. What does it measure? What does it measure? This, it's measuring cup. Okay, so it measures a mass, temperature, length, or volume. Volume. Good job. Excellent, guys. Okay, number 3. Billy. Billy is a name like Ahmed or Fahd. Okay, Billy saw a bird with a twig, okay, in its mouth, so he predicted that. Okay, let's see the choices. Okay, again, Billy saw a bird with a twig in its mouth. This twig like a stick. Okay, he predicted that A, the bird was going to build a nest like the home of the bird. Number B, the bird was going to eat the stick. Or number C, the bird thought the stick was a worm. Number D, the bird was flying south for the winter. South for the winter. Okay, A or B or C or D, what do you think? A. Excellent. The bird was going to build a nest. Number 4. A scientist tests how salt water affects how well a plant grows. How can she make sure of her results? Okay, again, a scientist tests how salt water affects how well a plant grows. How can she make sure of her results? Only do the test once, just once, or repeat the test many times, or do the test once but tell people she repeated it, or don't do the test but tell people she did. Come on. Excellent. Repeat the test many times to make sure of the results. Number 5. 6 children like dogs. Okay, so 6 children like dogs best. How would you show this data? With an experiment, or with a meterstick, or with a totally chart, or with an inquiry. Do you remember we use what to show data? Chart. Good job. Excellent, guys. Okay, number 6. Okay, this, if we look at the book page 202, we're gonna find those nice questions. Number 1, you have to look at this picture. The girl in the picture is using inquiry to learn about plants. As you see, she is using a ruler, okay, and try to know what about the plant. Can you tell me? What is she learning about the plant? What do you think? I use a ruler to measure what? Height. Excellent, guys. The height of the plant. 2. Some scientists ask questions about space. About space. Like we find the sun, the moon, planet. Okay. A question you have about space. Write a question you have about space. Okay. How hot is the sun? And don't forget to put the question mark. Or let's see, we're gonna put question mark right there. Okay, but you have to make a nicer question mark than mine. Okay, so this is my question mark. Or how many planets in the space, maybe. Or how big is the space, or is there water in the space? Okay, all those are questions, and there are a lot of questions about space. Okay, let's see again. Complete the sentence. You what when you use your senses to find about something? I use my senses. Do you remember? I use my senses to observe. Good job. Okay, look at the picture. We have this rock in the picture. Write something you observe about this rock. Okay, something you observe about this rock. Okay, can you see the colors I observe? We have two colors, white and purple. Excellent. It's purple and white. Okay, back to the Christmas tree. Number 7. A young plant is dying. What question will a scientist likely ask? How tall is the plant? What is the mass of this plant? Does the plant need more water? What is the volume of this plant? Number C. Excellent. It's going to die. So I'm gonna ask, does the plant need more water? Okay, last question. Book, page 203. We want to classify what is a tool that can help you stay safe. Stay safe, okay? Meterstick, stopwatch, goggles, or magnet? Goggles. Good job, guys. Here it's goggles. Okay. So, why might a scientist repeat investigations? What do you think? Why might a scientist repeat the investigations and do the experiment and test again and again? Why? What do you think? To make sure of conclusion or result. Good job. Okay, number 5. Look at this picture. What can you infer about this plant? I see it might die. Okay, what do you think? Why? Why this plant might die? It needs water. Good job. It needs water. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. And this is all for today. See you next time, inshallah. Bye, guys.